Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. It is Friday, July the 10th, and we have 49-cent electric kids toothbrushes over at Walgreens. It's one of these deals that just slid by, and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you are near a Walgreens today and you want to do this deal, by all means. And remember, for this deal, it is in store only, it is not curbside. In store. Remember that, because it involves a register reward. And 49 cents for an item that's usually close to $9. That's a pretty good deal. So, what you're going to do for this deal is you're going to load the following digital coupon, which is a 10 off a 2. Remember, class, digital coupons are of a one-time use. Promotion for this in store is that when you spend 14 or more, you're going to get back a $7 register reward. So that is fantastic. So look for the items that are tagged, and it's a very select amount of kids' electric toothbrushes by Oral-B. So I'm just going to jog through the ones that you can keep an eye out for and make sure that they're tagged. One that we have is the Spider-Man. So you're looking for the Oral-B brushes that are $8.99 that are tagged, and the 10 off of 2 are attaching. And you can always open up the Walgreens app and then scan the barcode to ensure that they are in fact attaching. And then again, you're looking for the tag of spend 14 to earn back that $7 register reward. And then a couple of them are Disney. This one for $8.99 and Frozen for $8.99 as well. And if you want to mix and match, say you have a grandson and a granddaughter, you can get Spider-Man and Frozen, or the other one, or 2 of the Frozen or 2 of the Spider-Man, whatever you want to do. Okay, so grabbing 2 of these brushes at $8.99 a pop, that's $17.98. Subtracting that fat coupon, you're spending $7.98, getting back a $7 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2, or 49 cents per brush. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use up to $5 of Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And I'm assuming that even though the register reward will probably say, like, on your next purchase of dental care, you probably can use that register reward on anything in the store, as we've been doing all summer. If you have a cashier that'll give you a hard and fast no, then that's a hard and fast no. But you probably can use it like on paper towel or whatever you want to buy. So, yeah, just I would definitely get on this deal. You guys are probably thinking a little bit like me that this would make ideal for a Christmas stocking. So I'm thinking about my nephews and my nieces and how it's just like that perfect size, because I really like to fill Christmas stockings for the kids. I think it's always something that they enjoy. And some of my nieces and nephews really get excited with like toothpaste or like a fun little toothbrush. It's funny, but the kids really enjoy that. So I definitely want to keep my eye out. And remember, because this is involving a register reward, please ask the cashier, like, hey, is that machine working today? Is it printing? And they will know right away, because with a $7 register reward, you don't want to be left hanging. And I know a lot of you are having issues writing to Catalina and getting those Catalinas sent to you. A lot of you are going right to managers or customer service online and getting your Catalina that way. They'll just give you the Walgreens cash, but ask if the machine is on, because $7 is something you just can't walk away with. And if it's a hard and fast no on everything, I would just return the item, because they have to reward you somehow. Like, it's just ridiculous with these register rewards. I wish they would make it all Walgreens cash for every deal. In case you missed it yesterday, guys, Office Depot and Office Max, which is the same company. I always get that confused, but it's the same company. They're Scott's paper towel and toilet paper that say $5 on the top right-hand corner. You know, we see these at Walgreens all the time. They have been clearing them out at many, many locations for $1. And at $1, a lot of couponers and employees, I'm assuming, are just clearing it out completely. So I'm going to let you guys know, if you are near an Office Max, Office Depot, you want to walk in, find that paper, ask for a price check. I would definitely stock up for $1. Like, that is just a crazy price point. And if you're near one of these stores, if you have to drive like more than an hour, I would probably pass on it. because we get so many of these fantastic deals at Walgreens. But if you're near one of these office stores, go and make it happen, because that price point, unheard of. I will link that video right here. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.